So this is where we're at with the camper van. Got the electrics, more or less up and running in the heater. This is the housing for the fridge, and the microwave, and the electrics in that wee area. And our shower. Let's complete it. Well, get in there. So this is where we're at. So I think this will be part 4, I think. Jaeger, is it part 4?
Well, we're the Kishorn Commandos, way up from Westeros. We've never had a gaffer and we've never had a boss. We'll build the biggest oil rig that you've ever came across. I just remember we're the Kishorn Commandos. Every single morning we get awakened by a sight. Get up, you idle buggers, won't you pull the finger out? What do we get for breakfast? Well, it's 7 pints of stout. I just remember we're the Kishorn Commandos. We're digging down a dusty hole till we can hardly speak. Summer, sunshine, rain or snow, we still don't stop to sleep. We work for 40 hours a day and 14 days a week. Just remember we're the Kishorn Commandos. We're the Kishorn Commandos, way up from Westeros. We've never had a gaffer and we've never had a boss. We'll build the biggest oil rig that you've ever came across. Just remember we're the Kishorn Commandos. Oh, we're the toughest gang of workers that you have ever met. We'll work and fight with anyone and you can lay a bet. There may be some tougher, but we haven't found them yet. Just remember we're the Kishorn Commandos. Well, we've never joined the Navy, we've never joined the RAF, we've never joined the Army, we're not so bloody daft. We'd rather go to Kishorn and get paid for skiving off. But just remember we're the Kishorn Commandos. We're the Kishorn Commandos, way up from Westeros. We've never had a gaffer and we've never had a boss. We're the biggest oil rig that you've ever came across. And just remember we're the Kishorn Commandos. You're welcome here in Kishorn if you know how to work. With Geordie here's from Africa and Paddy's from New York. With Scousers, Jokes and Tappies all from the County Cork. Just remember we're the Kishorn Commandos. And when the job is over, we'll up and pack our bags. We'll spend our money on the booze, the woman and the nags. But until we'll have to do when Navy's stressed and drag. Just remember we're the Kishorn Commandos.
Westeros, not from Westeros.
What's going on? We're the Kishorn Commandos, way up in Westeros. We've never had a gaffer and we've never had a boss. We'll build the biggest oil rig that you've ever came across. And just remember we're the Kishorn Commandos. We're the Kishorn Commandos, way up in Westeros. Just remember we're the Kishorn